decided to go about renovating our house, we had to think on lots of many things. But the look we wanted was wooden as well as modern. So when we went around, we found Fenesta was the best. Rather, I would say Fenesta with Pandey is the best. And the way he guides the customers to go about the minute details, and also let people know where the things which are wanted. For example, the noise, if it is there, so he suggested for different glass. If it was security, he suggested for a different glass. And the size, the portions, and then also he guided how the apertures should be led. So this was technicality very sound. Technically, they were very, very sound. And the visits they made, they saw to it that if the construction rather was going on when we were consulting them, so they helped us into letting how much dimension should be left for the window or for the small aperture which I have in my mandir, and then the product when it came, it was superb. I think we have chosen the walnut, and the service exclusive, the feedback well taken and appropriately handled. So that's the best part about Fenesta. I would love and share this experience with everybody. And if you're going for renovating your house, go to Fenesta and go to Fenesta with Pandey. Thank you so much.